Hello guys, welcome to today's video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to migrate your website, blog, e-commerce website, whatever website at all. I'm going to show you how to migrate it from one domain or hosting provider to the next hosting provider. So if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝗲𝗱𝗱𝗧 and I'll be your guide today. Now, in order to begin, you just need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Now, once you're in your WordPress dashboard, if you don't have the 𝗢𝗲𝗱 plugin installed on your website, you just need to go to this place here, which says plugin, then click on add new. Now, in order to use the feature which you're going to use in order to migrate our website from one hosting provider to the next hosting provider, you need the 𝗢𝗲𝗱 Pro plugin. You need the Pro version. Though they have the free version is good if you want to back up your website and maybe back it up locally on your PC. But in this case, you're trying to migrate our website from one domain to the next domain, and the free version can't do that. So there are other plugins that can do that, but I don't recommend that because I've tried them before and they aren't reliable. So it might cause you to even lose your website. So we don't want that to happen. So I have gone ahead to purchase the 𝗢𝗲𝗱 Pro plugin, which is the Pro version, because I own an agency and I run multiple websites. So I use the Pro version in order to back up this multiple website for myself and my clients. So in order to get this 𝗢𝗲𝗱 Pro plugin we're talking about, you just need to check the description below. You see the link to go to the website. So mind you, this is my affiliate link. And also when you purchase the plugin, I do get some commissions, which enables me to create these videos for you. Okay. So you just need to come to this upload plugin here. Then click on choose file. So as you can see here, this is it here. I have it already. So I'll just install it. So when you purchase it, it will come as a zip file. So your version might be different from this. I'll just click on this. Then I'll click on upload or open. Then once you're done with this, you see the file here. Just click on install now. So before I started this tutorial, I already have the 𝗢𝗲𝗱 plugin installed, which was the free version. I already have it installed on this website here because this is a blog we built in one of our training videos. So here I already have it. That's why I'm seeing this screen here, but yours, you won't see the screen when you upload yours for the first time. So it's asking me if I want to replace this one I just uploaded now, which is the Pro version, with the free version. So what I can just do is to click on this replace current with uploaded. Okay, remember you already have it, so you've already installed yours, so you won't see this screen because you've not installed 𝗢𝗲𝗱 before. So I'll just click on this. Okay, so once I do that, then I'll get this successful notice. So let me just check it out very well. So I can just come to install plugins here. Then when I scroll down, now I can see it here. Okay, so as you can see here, premium, I already have the premium. So I think this is the premium version. That's why I'm not seeing GoPro or something like that. Now in order to go to the settings for this 𝗢𝗲𝗱+, you can either click on settings here, or you can come to this place, settings. Then you see this drop down here. Then you click on 𝗢𝗲𝗱+ backup. Now on this page, in order for you to migrate your website from one domain to the next domain, you need to back up your website first. But in one of our previous videos, I've already backed up this website, so I don't have to do it again. It's very simple. Just click on the backup. Then you'll see a bar that will appear here. It will load, just allow it to load. Once it loads, it will generate these backup files. So on this backup file, you just need to click on this. Then to show you this, for instance, they click on download to your computer. So you do the same step for each of these here. Then you download it to your PC. So once you've downloaded it to your PC, what you can do now is to start the migration process. Now, to start the migration process, you just need to go to your new web host, install WordPress. So just follow the prompt or the steps in installing WordPress on your new web host. You install WordPress. Now, mind you, look at the domain here. So you can see 𝗢𝗲𝗱𝗱𝗧.com. This is the domain now. We have this website. So we want to migrate this blog here we created here. We want to migrate it from here to here now. Now, as you can see here, we don't have a website here. We don't have a website here. So this is a fresh WordPress install. You can see the domain we want to migrate it to. So this is a subdomain I created on this main domain here. Then I installed WordPress. So we want to migrate this website to this place here. Now, in order to do it, remember, we've already backed up our website here. You've already backed it up down to your local PC, following the steps I showed you here. Now, the next thing you need to do is to go to the new web host here. Just go to the new web host, then log into your new WordPress installation. So here I've logged into my new WordPress installation. Then in order for you to start the migration process, you just need to click on add new. Now on this page here, you click on upload plugin. This is the first step you need to do. Then you click on choose file. Then you find your Updraft Plus, the pro version, which you bought and downloaded to your PC. So this is the plugin here. So I'll click on it. Then I'll click on open. Then install now. So once I install it, you can see here, then I click on activate. As you can see here, this is the only plugin I have here on my new WordPress install. I don't have any other thing here. Okay. In order for me to migrate the website I just downloaded the backup for on our previous web host down to this place, you just need to migrate to this place here, which says settings, then click on Updraft Plus. Now on this page here, you can just scroll down. If you don't have any website here, you don't need to bother. But if you have a website here, maybe you just want to back it up before installing or uploading this new backup, you can still also back up, but there's no need. This is a new WordPress install, so we don't need all that. Now, what you can do here, where you have more tags, you click on upload backup files. Then here you select your new backup files, which is the one you downloaded. So these are the files I downloaded here. These are the files here. So what I can just select them. Then once I select them, I'll click on open. Now, as you can see, it is uploading the backup from our previous web. So it's uploading the backup. Look at the domain here. Okay. So once you finish uploading, you can see complete here. Now you can see the files here. They've been generated. You can just click on this box here. Then click on action. Under actions, you click on restore. So here it will ask you to choose the component you want to restore. So I want to restore everything here. So you check everything here. Then you click on next. Mind you, if you're still confused about how to back up your WordPress website or blog, so I have a video that is displaying up here now. So just click on the video there. It will take you to the exact video where you can learn how to back up your WordPress website or blog. So on that video, I mentioned something about this feature on Updraft, whereby when you want to migrate from, you can see this is a different domain, this domain down to this domain here. You need a feature called Migrator that is only available in the paid version of this Updraft Plus plugin. So you're using the pro version. That's why you're seeing this screen here. This is asking us database restoration options, search and replace site location in the database, migrate. So it is the migrator function here now. With the free version of this plugin, you can't see this feature here. It is not available, so you can't use it. You need to pay for this pro version. Now you can see backup of 𝗢𝗢𝗄𝗧𝗏. Remember, we're trying to back it up on this new domain, which is located on our new web host. Remember, we're trying to migrate our site. So what you need to do once you see this here is to click on restore. Then it will start the restoration process here. So mind you, it is very fast, don't worry. It is very fast. So while the plugin is restoring, as you can see here, it is also done. So if you're still confused on how to get this Updraft Plus, the pro version, you just check the description below. You see my link there. When you click on it, it will take you to their official website here. This is their official website here. So as you can see here, more than 10 million or 5 million websites are using this. So, and there are different features. So there are many features here. I'm also going to show you in this video here. You can see more than 3 million here. So you have the free and the pro. So just click on get preview there. You can complete your purchase from there. So when we go back here, as you can see, our restoration is now complete. You just need to click on return to Updraft Plus configuration. Then it will ask you to log in. Mind you, when you migrate your website from one domain to another, the username and password you're going to be using to log in, if they are not the same, like let's say for instance, you created it when you created or uploaded this new WordPress installation, you created a specific username and password for it. Now, on this new web host, you created another username and password. When you migrate a website from here, you backed up this website and you're trying to migrate it to this place. Once you're done migrating, the username and password you're going to be using to log in now is the username and password for this installation. That is what you're going to be using to log in on this place here now. So it will override the initial one you used on this domain when you were installing it. So it will override that one. So it is the old one, which is the username and password for this one you're going to be using to log in here. So this is not the username and password here. So the username and password for the old one was. So then I click on login. Now, as you can see here, I can just save here. As you can see here, the dashboard is now populated. Before it was scanty because we didn't have anything there. But as we completed the restoration and migration process, Now you can see we have so many plugins. If you compare it with what we have here, let me just scroll down. You can see everything is the same that compared to what we have here. So first of all, when you see this option here, so just click on delete all directories. Now you just need to click on here. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll check it. So we'll just come here, visit site. Now you can see easy peasy. Now you can see how beautiful it is now. You can see the domain. See the domain here. So I'll just close this pop-up. You can see the domain. Everything is now working correctly. So this is just how to migrate your website from one web host down to another, or from one domain down to another. So this is just it here. So I want to show you something quickly before we go. Now you've migrated your domain here. So if you want to back up your website automatically, let's say for instance, you want to learn how to back up your website since you're using the pro version now. You want to learn how to back up your website automatically with the 𝗙𝗲𝗏 plugin. You just need to come to these settings here. Then once you come to settings, you just come here, backup file, you choose daily, then here. Now you need to choose which cloud provider or which place do you want to back it up to. So I like choosing either Google Drive, Microsoft. So you can choose any one you're using. If you're using Google Cloud, no problem. You can choose it. So I like using maybe Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. That is the one. But 𝗙𝗲𝗏 they also provide like a hard disk space, like a cloud that you can also back up to their, though they have their own benefit too. So you can check out their benefit and see if you like it. So here, I'll just come down here. I want to include plugin, theme. I want to include all this in my backup. So then I scroll down. I want to send, let's say, an email report. But if you don't want to be sending email report each time you back up your website, or the plugin automatically backs up your website, you can uncheck this box here. Now the next is to just click on save here. So once you click on save, let me see something here. Okay, so what I can just do, you just come here, click on Google Drive. It's Google Drive you want to use. Then it will ask you, when it is like, when it's trying to back up, it will create a folder on your Google Drive space there. So it's actually what you want to name that folder. So you can name it anything here. Let's say, okay. So I can't really do anything here right now. I can't change it. So let me just save here first. Okay. Okay. So once I save it, to bring up this pop-up here, then what I can just do is click on here. Then I select the account. Then once I do that, I click on allow. Then once you're done, you just click on complete setup. Now on this page, you're done connecting it to Google Drive. So when we go back to settings here, you can see it will be backing up your website daily. They to retain one version of the backup each day. You'd back it up to Google Drive. We've authenticated our website with Google Drive. So this is just it here. So we don't need to do anything. So on your Google Drive account, you want, like, let's say after one day, you can just go there and check it. You see this 𝗙𝗲𝗏 folder there. So when you click on the folder there, you can see all your backup files inside that folder there. So this is just how to do all that there. Now, if you've gotten a lot of value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, or also share our video to anybody you know might need help doing this same thing here. Okay, so I hope you stay well and see you in the next one.